today we're going to show you some cool stuff. So smash that subscribe button and follow me on TikTok. And that's all. And make sure you can. And today it's just me. We're going to do the Sisters versus Sister Challenge and BFF Challenge. So we're going to show you some cool things. I went to the book first. We're going to show you some cool things. So first off is we got, first thing I picked out was a expensive thing. And it cost $11. And it's this thing. You can see. And it's a heart. And it turned into a heart. And you do this. And it turned into a heart. So it turned into this. And it'll turn into this. And I'm going to show you what's in it. Okay, in it, I've done these. This is a list of things. This is like some little note thing. And this is just some sticky things. So I wanted to do this challenge so y'all can actually like this challenge. So we just wanted to show you. To open this second thing. I didn't get this, but I'm going to show you. This is a yellow lip pencil for my thing to write in it. And you can write that. So. Second, you will love this guy. It's a little squishy. It's a squishy. You see it's squishy? Notebook. Next thing is I got this slime. It's so cool. I am thinking I want you to be happier. And it's, you see this? It's a cool like thumbs. This is my slime. And what you do is you get this light, so it's the lights on. And it turns pink. So, and it's called UV Putty. You love that stuff. Let's see. Another notebook. Boy, it's so furry. Same thing as little stickies. Little thing. And it has this. That goes with the pink. Yeah. Next thing. Let me get it. JoJo! I love the JoJo book. I know I love it. Second. I'm going to tell you one. So, Animatic is my favorite. Unicorn Death. I got two, but I get one of them. And I didn't get this, but I got this and this little bag. So, and then this is my makeup bag. Let me show you. I got, I got a little notebook, some lip gloss, eyeshadow, lip gloss again, lipstick, and a ring. This is it. Oh my god. So, if you want to see more, smash that subscribe button, or if not, I will not post this stuff. You have to follow my videos. So, that's all. Bye!